Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Tammy. If you want to know how to get this soft glam glow look, keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to start off with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray for my face. I already prepped it with moisturizer, so I'm going to go ahead and spray this on. Oh, I'm going to clip up my hair now to get it out of my face, out of my way. Then we're gonna spritz this all over our face. I'm almost out, so it comes out like really weird, as you can see. Now I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. Well, first I hope I pat all of this in my face because it looks ridiculous. I currently am sick, so I look ridiculous and like tragic right now. So we're gonna start by drawing a line underneath and filling out the brows with light, feathery strokes. I'm just lightly stroking underneath my brow. They're kind of like uneven. That's just how they grow. On the other eyebrow, we're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to fill the bottom and the top and then blend it out. That's they do not look, this is not my good brown day face. So in the front, I'm going to do some lines to give it a real hair effect and then finish filling in the tail. Then I'm going to comb it out. As I'm like watching myself do my eyebrows, I realize how long I take to do them. But they're just so uneven. Now I think I'm just gonna give up because they're not gonna be even at all. Moving on, we're gonna take this eye cream by the Body Shop and put it underneath our eyes so our concealer stays. And then I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. I'm gonna take this Kirkland flat brush, put the concealer on the back of my hand, and then I'm just gonna clean up my eyebrows. I'm gonna start underneath my eyebrow, concealing those hairs that are growing out. Then I'm gonna take my finger and blend it in. I don't know why, but concealer does not like to be around my eyes. Like, it just gets like crusty. I always conceal and then go back and fill them in to my liking. Now I'm gonna take this Real Techniques brush and this Clinique little palette and take the shade French Vanilla Stay Matte to set the concealer. I'm just gonna put it all over my lid. Then I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 260 and pump like 1.5 pumps, I think. That's what I did. I'm gonna take my trusty beauty blender. This is like the best thing ever. Then I'm gonna dot it on one side of my face because this foundation dries really quick. So I'm just gonna blend out one side first. honestly, I used to use Real Technique sponges, and ever since I got a beauty blender, I just don't know why I didn't get one in the first place. I'm gonna continue blending on the rest of my face. This is me. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark for Dark Circles in the shade Light Pale. We're going to put this underneath our eyes. I don't like to put a lot underneath my eyes because it does crease even though I do set it. And I put it on the bridge of my nose and a little bit on my chin. Then I'm going to take the pointy part of the Beauty Blender and just blend away. Now we're going to go back with the Maybelline concealer that I used for my eyebrows and put it in the crevices of my cheekbone to kind of bring out the contour more. You'll see, you'll see. Then I'm going to go back with my beauty blender and blend, blend, blend. You know the drill. And then I think I have some redness right here. That's why I'm gonna put some concealer on there. Just make sure it's even on both sides. Now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. powder blurring brush and my Pixie by Petra color correcting powder foundation in the shade number 3 Warm, and just pat it all over my face to set my foundation and under my eyes to set my concealer. And I'm just checking myself out, I guess. Now we are going to take the Real Techniques contour brush and the e.l.f. palette in the shade Deep Bronzer, and we're going to take the darkest shade and we're going to contour. Putting it in the hollows of my cheeks and then working it all the way up to my forehead. And then continue the same on the other side. As you guys can see, there's a difference when you add concealer in the hollows of your cheek. It just brings out the contour more, I feel like, and I don't know. Now I'm gonna add some to my jawline. And then the sides of my nose, just for a little bronzing my hair. Then I'm going to take my Clinique powder brush and my Clinique little palette for blush in the shade 06 Fig. And I'm going to put that on the apples of my cheeks. I don't really like blush, so I just put a small amount because my mom says that if I don't, I look really washed out. So yeah. Now I'm going to take this angled Clinique brush and using the same palette for contour, I'm going to contour my nose. I've been obsessed with contouring my nose. Like, I love the nose job effect. I also put some on the bottom of my lip to create a fuller lipped effect. Then I'm also going to take it and drag it in the crevices of my cheekbones to create a more like a shadow, so it's like more hollow, if you guys can see. Yes, I'm very satisfied. Then I'm going to take my Becca highlighter travel size in the shade Opal. This is my favorite. And I'm going to put it on my ring finger and just blend it on my cheekbone. Do you guys see that glow? Do you? Then I'm going to put some on the tip of my nose and some on my Cupid's bow. Then I'm going to go back with another Ingles brush, and using the tip, I'm going to take the same highlighter and put it on the inner corners of my eyes. Yes, I know this is the last step for when you do your eyeshadow, but I don't know why I did that. Then I took some on my lip. Then I'm going to take this Ellen Tracy 24 eyeshadow palette and use this dark gold, rose gold color and this pink color for a soft, like, little pink look. I'm gonna put it in my crease. Just something light. I didn't want that much, but I wanted, like, to be really glowy. I'm gonna take my eyelash curler from e.l.f. It's just a cheap $3 one. And I'm gonna curl my lashes. They stay, so, like, I don't need it expensive. Then I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite mascara. This is the Lancome Monjour Big. I think that's how I'm pronouncing it. I might be butchering it. Now I'm gonna add some also to the other side because obviously. Now we're going to add some falsies. These are the Ardell Lash Trios. And I like these better than the long ones because I get to, like, apply them, like, one by one and how much lash I want, if that makes any sense. So I apply them underneath my lash line because I just like how they look better and they look more natural, which is the look I'm going for. I always put it underneath my lash line. Hello, and I'm doing this, like, weird, like, position because I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, so we're gonna go with the weird position to apply these eyelashes. Now I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Lash and Brow Mascara to just put my brows in place and make them look more, like, fuller. This is me contemplating my look. I'm gonna go in with the EOS Lip Balm to moisturize my lips. And then after that, I'm gonna go over with the NYX Suede lip liner. And I'm pretty sure the shade is Sandstorm. It's this, like, nude pinky color and it's, like, really neutral, and my lips are naturally like pinkish brown, so it just looks really cute. I'm just gonna fill in my lips with this, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, this is the look. If you guys liked me or enjoyed this look, remember to give me a thumbs up and leave in the comments down below on what I should film next. As always, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye!